Hi Team Ivy, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be telling you guys or showing you guys how I was able to make or rebuild my closet. So this is a DIY. If you have a closet in your house, in your apartment, and you want to create more space, this video is amazing video for you to watch on how you can achieve this by yourself. So my closet was all a mess. Everything was piling up. I had clothes upon clothes upon clothes. It was actually not useful for me at all. So during this quarantine time, I wanted to do something and change some of the things in the house that I didn't really like. So I decided to rebuild my closet all by myself. Yes guys, this closet was created by me and me only, and I'm so proud of it. I'm so proud of the outcome. Now I can see where all my stuff are. I have more space now in my closet, and I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how I did it by myself. So please watch this video to an end, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. And on this channel, as I mentioned before, it's going to be complete different videos from my other channel, IVJ TV, and this channel I'll be sharing different things with you guys, and this is one of the stuff I really wanted to share with you guys. More is coming. I love DIYs, guys. If you know me, I love DIYs. I like to do things myself. I like to create things myself, and this was one of the projects that I really wanted to do, and I got myself to do it. So watch to an end, and I hope you like it. All the products that I use, I try to show them on the video, and yeah, I hope you like it. Watch to an end and join the Ivy team. Push that subscribe button, guys, and subscribe to my channel. You're not going to regret it, because I'm going to be showing you guys a lot more than hair and makeup and all those stuff. I'm just going to be sharing things that I love to do apart from hair and makeup. And yeah, I hope you like. Give a comment down below. Is there any closet that you want to change in your house, in your apartment? And did you find this video helpful, and would you be able to do this? Like, would you be bold enough to do this DIY? So this DIY, I have to be sincere, I was a little bit scared, but you know what, I just decided to just give it a try. What can go wrong? So there was a lot of stuff that went wrong, but it was fixable anyway. So I hope you guys love it. I hope you like, and I'll see you guys at the end of this video. You're going to see the amount of space that I was able to get. Even after putting all my clothes in the closet, there was still a whole lot of space in there. And also, if you're interested in a room tour, let me know. I'm going to be willing to do a room tour for you guys. I love decor, I love to create, I love to design. And please leave a comment down below if you really want, if you're interested in a room tour, and I will be happy to upload that video for you guys. All right, so I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this video and enjoy.